Hello students, today we will learn the chapter 10 from your maths book. The topic what we are going to learn is multiplication. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn multiplication. So, what is multiply or what is multiple? The basic definition of multiple is manifold. In math, the meaning of a multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. That means the numbers between two we are going to multiply. Now, let's see the example of a multiple. You can see in the number line, it is written numbers from 0 to 17. So, we are going to do the multiple of 2. So, the multiple of 2, we can see that it is multiplied with 2. So, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 10 is 12, 14, 16 and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Dear students, already we have done the table from 1 to 18. Still we will learn the multiplication in this chapter. So, look at your book on page 129. There are 4 bicycles. Each bicycle has 2 wheels. How many wheels in all? There are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8 wheels in all. 2 is repeatedly added 4 times. We say 4 times 2 is 8 or 4 2s are 8 or 4 into 2 is 8. In short way, it can be written as 4 into 2 are 8. Multiple is the sign for multiplication. Repeated adding by the same number is called multiplication. Now we will take the next example. There are 5 boxes of apples with 6 apples in each box. That means there are 5 boxes of apples and in each box there are 6 apples. How many apples in all? So, how we are going to find now? We are going to add or we are going to multiply. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 30. 6 is repeatedly added 5 times. Using multiplication, we write it as 5 into 6 equal to 30 and read it as 5 times 6 is 30, or 5 6s are 30, or 5 into 6 is 30. So, there are 30 apples in all. 5 into 6 equal to 30 is a multiplication fact. Now we will solve the exercise 10a. Question number 1. Study the pictures given below and fill in each blank with the correct answer. One has been done for you. So number A they have done, number B we will do. There are 4 houses or 4 boxes, and each box there are 3 colorful kites. So we are going to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 12. 4 3s are 12, or 3 into 4 is 12. Number C. There are 8 boxes, and each box there are 2 toy aeroplanes. So, how many it will be altogether? Let us add them. 2 plus 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 2 equal to 16. 8 2s are 16, or 2 into 8 are 16. So, my dear students, same way you will complete in writing the number D, number E and number F. Now, we will learn the multiplication tables. So, we will learn the table of 1, that is multiplying by 1. 1 time is 1, 1 time 2 is 2, 1 time 3 is 3, 1 time 4 is 4, 1 time 5 is 5, 1 time 6 is 6, 1 time 7 is 7, 1 time 8 is 8, 1 time 9 is 9, 1 time 10 is 10, or 1 1 is 1, 2 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 8 1s are 8, 9 1s are 9, 10 10s are 10. Now we will learn the multiplication table of 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 18, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Or 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 10 is 20. Now we will learn the table of 5. 5 added 1 time is 5, 5 added 2 times is 10, 5 added 3 times is 15, 5 added 4 times is 20, 5 added 5 times is 25. 5 added 6 times is 30. 5 added 7 times is 35. 5 added 8 times is 40. 5 added 9 times is 45. 5 added 10 times is 50. Same way we can multiply 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. We will not discuss much about multiplication because already we have done the multiplication from 1 to 18. So I will be giving the PDF of chapter 10 and you have to complete only in your maths book.